Hello, this is my debrief video for my second lesson plan. I mentioned the things I wanted to explore. So in terms of content, classifying polynomials by the number of degree and the number of terms, as well as standard form and then simple arithmetic. And I believe that all of I believe my entire lesson covered those um, ideas. I think that the students seem to understand very well the idea of classifying. They seem to get that pretty quickly. And then the standard form, they understood pretty well. I did notice there was a slight misunderstanding in terms of changing the standard form and keeping the signs and not losing a negative sign when you needed to bring it with you. But I did correct that as I walked around. I noticed it, and once I corrected it, most of the students understood what was happening and everything like that. Um, and then when I talked about how I envisioned the lesson plan going, it went about the exact way that I perceived it to go. Um, it all flowed about the same way, and I think that the students seemed to, the way that I structured the lesson, the students seemed to understand it pretty well. And after the lesson, I wanted the students to be able to understand how to classify by degree and number of terms, as well as the standard form. And they definitely did that. After the lesson, the day after the lesson, we took a quiz, and that was actually the post or the pre-assessment that I gave them. I gave it to them again after the lesson, and almost all of them got 100%. Nobody got lower than an A. So I did notice that they definitely seem to understand it pretty well and have a better understanding of it than when they first started.